Do you want to know how you can play games in Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can play games in Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now go to Apps, scroll down, and you can see under the Explore option there are games. So click on Games and press Got It. Now you can see there are a lot of games which are there in Bing. So you can just click on any of the games and it will load. You can see that these are loadable games in browser. So you can just go ahead and click on games and it will lead you to this page where there are a lot of games. You can click the game of your choice and start playing it. I hope this video about how you can play games in Bing was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.